we're very happy that this initiative has been taken by the Fujian Provincial People's Government and the Xiamen Airlines. We are very hopeful that the people-to-people exchanges between China and the Maldives will continue to strengthen over the coming year. This is a very auspicious year for China, year of the dragon, and which means strength, wisdom, and longevity. So we hope that this will be reflected in the China-Maldives relations as well.
就想轻轻松松的吧，然后希望一切都顺利就好了。对，然后航班上我还是蛮期待的，就是比如说服务啊，比如说整个机上的条件啊。
开通福州至马累的这个直航的航班呢，实际上是为了促进我们福建和马尔代夫两地的文旅交流合作，把福建呢打造成为中国游客赴马尔代夫旅游的一个重要的中转枢纽。